I do this side hustle and make money online if I'm in the Philippines, India, Afghanistan, any other country? I get this question all the time, and the answer to all of that is yes. This side hustle that I do is 100% worldwide. Doesn't matter where you're seeing me. You could start the side hustle in as little as an hour a day and create a full-time income online, working from that very device that you're watching me on. If there's anything that is holding you back from getting started, it is your ability to be a go-getter, and go to the link and get it fully informed for yourself. I give away my entire step-by-step blueprint right here on my YouTube channel, all for free. You can see exactly what I do to create a full-time income online. And if you want to see what I'm doing, all you have to do is go to the URL on screen. The only thing that's holding you back, and I see this all the time, people will literally sit and wait for me to spoon feed them one-on-one the exact link that is right in front of them. So plain and simple, if you want to see how I create a full-time income online, don't wait for me to send it to you through Telegram or WhatsApp or any other platform. Just go to the URL on screen, type it in if you have to, and I'll give you my entire blueprint all for free. So check it out, go there, and I'll meet you over here.